how to select information to review, who it is shared with, and stopped sharing on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we scroll down and tap on Safety Check. In here, tap on Manage Sharing and Access. Then go down and tap on Continued. Next, tap on the Information tab on the top here. And in here, choose what you want to review. So for example, photos, or you can review all of them. And then tap on the Review Sharing button. In here, you can choose a contact. And from here, you can tap on Stop Sharing. Or you can skip. And then that will go to the next contact. In here, you can choose that contact to stop sharing. Or you can skip. And that's it. So you can also tap on the Select All and Stop Sharing to stop sharing. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.